Neeta, we're getting in live pictures of that all-important meeting that is currently underway inside North Block. I want to also understand from you, from a Home Ministry standpoint, of course, Delhi, is extremely important. This meeting is extremely important. And it's interesting because, when we're talking about testing, the Delhi government has put the ball in the court of the ICMR. And it's interesting because the Union Health Minister is also likely, the Union Health Minister is there. Are we likely to see some kind of an alteration, in terms of ICMR guidelines as well? Is the Home Ministry going to be holding individual meetings with key states that have seen a rise in the number of cases? What are you picking up, Neeta, from your sources at this point?
See, Rishika, the Delhi government has already refused that they are not in favor of extending the lockdown. Mr. Satyendra Jain, the health minister, has already indicated so. But the number of cases are obviously rising in Delhi. But individual efforts are being made. Like in case of Jama Masjid, we have seen Jama Masjid on its own has shut down till June 30th. And then there are also reports many markets, are also in consultation with each other to shut down. Like, for instance, a big part of Sarojini Nagar market is in favor of shutting down. So, right. Delhi people are taking steps on their own as to how to restrict, the coronavirus, and to contain the containment zones. But as far as Delhi is concerned, 222 containment zones are already there. The issues, as you were mentioning, not only testing, but how to, put more surveillance in these containment zones so that the virus does not spread out. Because already the Union Health Minister has already indicated that 10 to 11 cities bear the maximum number of caseload, 70% of the caseload as far as the entire India is concerned, yes. And Delhi is one of them. And Mr. Guleria, who's the AIIMS head, he has also indicated that 20 to 30% of community spread is also there in the containment zones. Yes. So how to keep the effect of the virus to the bare minimum, such steps are going to be discussed, and to get each and every party, each and every stakeholder on the same page so that the people of Delhi can benefit from this. Rishika?
Right. I want to also bring in Sukirti, back into the conversation, because Sukirti, the only way that Unlock 1.0 can be successful, and several experts have said this to us time and time again, is if we test and trace. That's the only way that you can contain the virus. You can contain clusters, you can stop the virus from spreading, because what we've seen, for instance, in Mumbai, is that there are new containment zones, new hotspot areas that are now emerging. Existing hotspots are being contained, but new hotspots are emerging. This is a big fear as the country goes into Unlock 1.0. I want to understand from you, the Delhi government has also made an appeal to, widen the ambit of testing as far as ICMR is concerned. What's that demand of the Delhi government?
Well, yes. So as soon as the Supreme Court observed and said that the Delhi government's testing levels are really low at a time when cases are going up, their testing levels have decreased. From 7,000 or over 8,000 that they were conducting, it's going lower towards 6,000 and 5,000. And they really need to add up their testing numbers like Mumbai and Chennai have done. They are testing about 17,000 per day. Now, Delhi government's defense to that is that, no, we can't really do anything. ICMR has to widen the testing criteria. They have to let other people also, everybody who wants to get tested should be allowed. That's one thing that Mr. Sanjay Singh from the Aam Aadmi Party said. He's also written a letter to the Union Health Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, on these lines, saying that widen the criteria, authorize more testing labs within Delhi to conduct tests. Those are the kind of demands they have made. But at the same time, the other argument that experts have been making is that aren't Chennai and Mumbai carrying out higher number of tests while still functioning within the existing ICMR criteria? Right. So is it criteria that's really the problem, and especially coming from the Delhi government that was restricting the criteria on its own? ICMR guidelines allow asymptomatic high-risk patients, high-risk contacts to be tested. That's something the Delhi government stopped earlier. It in fact sent notices to 8 labs for carrying out tests of asymptomatic patients. So where does the problem really lie? Is it just one authority shifting ball to another's court, or do we really need to change the ICMR guidelines? Now, when these meetings take place, these high-level meetings take place today, that is something that is also going to be discussed, considering we would have the AIIMS director there, yes, and also the Union Health Minister. And they would surely be looking at the demands that Mr. Sanjay Singh from the Aam Aadmi Party has made to Dr. Harshvardhan.
All right. So a whole host of demands, of course, have been made. But Neeta, extremely important at this time for the Home Ministry to send out the right message, because the same rules have to apply across the country. While of course we're dealing, with a meeting that's focusing on the national capital at this point, the situation, say in Maharashtra, with now the rains coming in, is bound to get worse. Similar for Gujarat. So it's important that a stock taking exercise happens, and there are rules that are formulated, for the entire country.
Absolutely. That was the focus of the meeting which the Prime Minister chaired yesterday. Rishika, he in fact was the one who asked all the stakeholders to get a hold of, as you were mentioning that the monsoon is approaching, to keep, projections in mind while while ramping up the infrastructure in various states. On 16th and 17th, the Prime Minister himself is going to interact with the State Chief Minister in 2 batches. He is going to discuss the strategy which each state had adopted after Unlock 1, because after Unlock 1, states were given lots of powers. They were given, lots of do's and don'ts. The broad guidelines was given by the Ministry of Home Affairs, but they were independent of drafting their own guidelines. So, stock taking by the Prime Minister himself is going to be done on 16th and 17th.
All right.
And
so all important
monsoon
meetings on
approaching would be
16th
the key
and
agenda,
17th.
and
This,
why,
of course, as we
these
continue to
containment
track
zones
the
are also
details
rising all
of
over
the
the
meeting
country.
that is currently underway at North Block. Sukirti and Neeta, appreciate you joining us. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates as we track the details of that all-important meeting.